Well, we have a bit of a problem in the workshop, and that is tool management. It is got out of control. As we pan back, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'd always situation the camera in a spot that would never show off how bad my workshop was. I've got tools just stacked up, bits and pieces laying around everywhere. This back wall is really, really good, but if you look down here where you can't see because it's behind this bench, it is a mess. I've got boxes on top of boxes on top of boxes. I've got stuff jammed up underneath all this cabinetry stuff. And even in the drawers, which is a little bit of management going on, I'm still having to open up a drawer, dig through it just to get to what I need, and then put it all back. Because every time I pull it all out, it goes all over the bench and I lose my workbench. It is an absolute mess and it is atrocious. So, what do? Let's find out. Oh, look at this. Whoa, talk about a monster spider. Look at this guy. My daughter hates spiders. This guy is huge. Check that out. Let's go put him out in the yard. I wanted a premium setup that would really work for my workshop. So I jumped online and straight away I saw exactly what I wanted and it was on special. So I reached out to GTools and I said, this is what I'm after. Can you supply it? And we are gonna strip all of this stuff off the wall, clean up all this stuff that is just, it's out of control. It's a mess. Sometimes it's hard to find things. Anyway, let's get into stripping this workshop out and start doing a big cleanup because that is going to be daunting in itself. Man, you should see my workbench. It is just a mess. I've just found out they've arrived, so we're gonna head down to the workshop, go get them loaded up, bring them up here and unpack it. I'm excited. Well, that was unorthodox. I love the packaging around this thing. Look at it, it is solid. There's no mucking around of anything getting damaged, which is fantastic. These are some seriously solid wheels. Look at this beast. This is just one of them. That beautiful bench top. All right, I have a plan. My plan is I'm going to slide one of the boxes forward, put two of the wheels on the front, wheel it off, tip it down, put the other two wheels on, wheel it straight out, wheel it straight into the shed. Right, now to put the back rails on, the pegboard and the overhead cabinets. All you need is some tooling to bolt it all together. Make sure you have a keyhole locking at the top so you can bolt up the overhead cabinet. And all we need to do is line this up, throw in our bolts and do them straight up. Back of the pegboard. Just going to sit on the bench there, push that power lead off the side, line up our key locks, and just drop it straight down. Now we can do the screws up from the back. Exactly the same process with the overhead cabinet. And again, we're leaving them pretty loose so that we can drop them into our key locks and then do it all up after. Now I think I've done really, really well to get this far without needing any help. But when you're lifting up overhead, now it's not super heavy, but it's going to be very awkward and you're lifting up over your head. So really, we need a second set of hands. Lift right up, see those little hole things?
Yeah, they're in it.
Right, so the GTools system is set up, mate. I am stoked. Now, this has come with the LED lighting. That's an option. You can buy them as an extra. Now, they've been all, I installed them all last night, and man, I love how it just lights up the whole bench. I have a really good working area that's well lit up here. It looks fantastic. Now, what these do come with, they come with a 50 pack of pegboard hook assembly. So a whole lot of different hooks for all sorts of bits and pieces. So our next big challenge is to start fitting out all the tools that I have thrown on my bench here. I need to start organizing them all and putting them into this system. So I've got a huge amount of drawers, cupboards, and hanging space. This is really going to neaten up the 40 workshop. I am absolutely stoked with this, mate. Takes away all that sharp edge and gives it a really neat look. Righto, what an incredible change this GTools system has made. Like, it is amazing. I love the timber bench, so when you have a hot cup of tea, you can put it down and the cold steel's not going to drain all that heat out of your cup of tea. That's brilliant. But seriously, incredible. Full pegboard down the back, displaying all the tools, easy access to them. Our overhead cabinets, little gas struts, so you know, all soft opening, soft closing. You can adjustable shelves in it. Now the drawers. Now there is so much storage room that I've just created. It's incredible. So you've got the drawers, easy to open, nice soft close. The bigger drawers have double rails, which makes them really strong for that heavier equipment. And you can come in, press it in. The drawer is now locked into place. You've got full key system, so you can lock everything up in case you're worried. We've got security cameras over everything that's going on. I'm so impressed with these GTools cabinets. They are absolutely awesome. So you've got extra storage up the top here, so just things that you might want to put up that you don't use or you just want to display. So something like that, that's pretty cool. Look at that, you know, just display items, you know, those sort of things. Things that you just want to show off that you're not going to be using a lot. But overall, this GTools cabinet system, my tool management now is, like, that is so neat. I am stoked with that. Easy access to everything that I've got, whether it's in the drawers or whether it's straight off the pegboard. You can lay out your whole wiring loom. I can bring up my wiring diagram up on the computer as I do. What a change this has made to the workshop. It's so cleaner. Everyone that's come in here, the first thing they've done is they've walked in and gone, wow, what a change. It just looks so much neater and tidier. I've still got a lot of work to do with the rest of the shed as far as cleanup and just trying to bring it up to the same standard. As far as our workspace goes, this is now going to be the new standard for the 40 channel shop. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's been a little bit of a different video, but it had to happen for us to keep moving forward with what we're doing with 40 channel. And we have some really exciting projects coming up. I'm absolutely pumped. So until next time, take care of yourselves.